Have you ever had a PDF where the pages were in the wrong order, or maybe your file had some extra pages you just didn't need? Well, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to move pages around and also remove unwanted pages from any PDF file using Systweak PDF Editor. Let's get started. In Systweak PDF Editor, go to the page menu at the top. Select the page or pages you want to remove. Once selected, click on the remove button at the top. Also, if needed, you can select to remove just the even pages or just the odd pages. Now click OK and then click Yes to remove the pages. And that's it. The selected pages are now deleted from your PDF. Now, let's see how to move pages in your PDF. Make sure you are still in the page menu. First, select the page or pages you want to move. Then click on the Move button at the top. A small window will appear. Here, enter the page number where you want to move the selected pages. After that, choose whether you want to place them before or after that page number. Click OK, and that's it. The pages will now move to the new spot you selected. You can also drag and drop pages to rearrange them. Just click and hold the page, then drag it to your desired location and release it. It's that simple. You can scan the QR code visible on the screen to download and install Systweak PDF Editor from the website. You can watch the other tutorials by clicking on the playlist link given in the description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If there's any issue, just write it in the comments and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.